Yeah, okay. New player circle. So,
Hey man, say man, you already know what I'm gonna say, man. It's your local neighborhood player, Drip Damone Jr. kicking in the Player Circle podcast. We don't try to fit a square into a circle. And hey man, today man, we got the boy Ebk Jaaybo, man. The boy Aof Niino going back and forth about this Nightingale street sign that came up missing while Ebk Jaaybo was down for a little bit. You feel me? Caught himself a little violation. He out on bail right now. You feel me? And he turning up. You feel me? Dropping little snippets and things like that. They dropped a music video. And he promoting the label right now. You feel me? And the boy Aof Niino, man, he said, you know what? Let me get in on this algorithm, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna get to these videos without any further ado. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to the videos. You understand me? You already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And let's get to the video. So we got Aof Niino, man. He run around talking his shit, beating his chest. You already know how this shit go, man. You feel me? He top op #1 right now of Ebk Jaaybo, and it's crazy because this wasn't even Jaaybo Funk originally. He just tapped into the live to defend his brother Jock, and now you feel me? It look like these two going head up. So let's get to it.
Woulda came back for you. Nope. I just needed time to do what I had to. Caught in the line. I can't let it go.
I don't know what is up with this obsession.
What's going on, man?
I don't know what's up with this obsession of the YN of showing that they got a gun, but not showing. I just want to let you know, like, hey, it's on me. It's on me. You feel me? Even going in the house, that shit on me.
Man, it's right.
That is that shit. That's that shit.
Damn, my homeless ass, man. My homeless ass, man. My homeless ass.
Nice little foyer. I like the foyer.
Pull up in the drop top chicken box. BBS in the watch. Hold on, I'm finna go. Mention G's, nigga mention me, you gotta mention me.
Oh, this nigga, he fuck with the song. I noticed that.
Caught in the light.
He was thinking about bro. He was thinking about bro. Shout out. That shit do slap. I ain't gonna lie to you. He ain't no hater. Got that motherfucker. It's a trophy right now. He say, I got this motherfucker.
2-1. 2-1 there. 2-1 there.
Damn.
That's right.
He trolling right now. What do you react?
Well, here it goes.
Do we react?
Pull up in the brand new chicken box. BBS is up in the watch. Niggas be bitches.
Ah, shit.
And there is right. I can't let it go. Big shit, you hear me? Big shit, you hear me? Big shit, you hear me? My house bigger than you. My closet is bigger than your room. Big shit, nigga. Ooh, ooh.
That cloud shit saucy though. I ain't gonna hold you. I low key need that shit in this bitch.
You gotta mention me. Just spank the nigga. With baby A, you gotta mention me.
He know the song. He like the song. The shit slap. Can't be mad. It slap.
I got dance moves. Dance moves. When they have a skip like 22.
The comment section be crazy.
Hey, you gotta rep the team. Hey.
He got your sign. Niggas tagging Ebk Jaaybo. He got your sign. The comment section.
Hey, I got dance moves. Hey. Hey.
The comment section is who gonna get a nigga smoked.
Hey.
No cap. The comment section is who gonna get a nigga smoked. It be them, the people who sitting at home Suburbians.
Hold on.
They gonna get in there
Hold on.
smoked.
Come here, nigga hit the middle with this, like. I got dance moves, so and like you like 22.
He know the song. He like that motherfucker. It slap.
Shoot. He ain't got fully on this chop. He ain't gonna stick and move. Hey. Try it. How you like 32? Wanna rep the hood, bitch? You gotta rep the dude.
These is all fire ass bars that he was dropping in this shit.
Pop dope, Nightingale, niggas freaks. I'm the one in the city. When they diss, they bitch at me. Pop dope, ARP, we gon' creep. Do you hear the words coming out my mouth? You got 48 hours to come get your sign back. You have 48 hours, nigga. Come get your motherfucking sign back, gang. 48 hours.
Damn.
Don't pass the gun line, boss. Don't pass the gun line, boss. Dead Obies. You're 22.
48 hours, Jaaybo. Yeah, the comment section is what be getting people murdered.
Hell nah, brother. I'm poor over here. I ain't got nothing going on. Where my dog at?
Yeah, man, that's insane. That's insane. Let's see what the youngin had to say about it. Let's see what the youngin had to say about it.
I got their street sign back. Bitch, I ain't worried about that street sign. I'm up at him. Your bitch ass up, nigga. That's why your granny dead.
I got one. You said I got one on baby.
Damn, really?
BOE gang.
Turtle ain't
Your shit ain't BOE. Your shit BOE gang.
Granny, what Granny do?
Out chasing ass. I'm blood.
Young blood, young YN. This my top YN right now. This nigga tripping.
You know, if you look at BOE,
YN.
you're gonna be the first one that pop up. Like I could tell just by your name, you a clout chasing ass nigga. Yeah, nigga, like fuck your daddy, bro. I can't wait till somebody in your family die so you could just feel pain. I just want you to hurt.
I just want you to feel pain. I just want you to hurt. It's diabolical. What's up, YN? Not enough hugs or something, bro? Like, damn, that's mean, bro. Like, listen to what you said, bro. That's mean as hell, G. Fuck going on, man? That nigga said, I just want you to feel pain.
Right here, play it, bro.
I'm up at him, nigga. Fuck that street sign, nigga. You see that bitch ass nigga came and took it when I went to jail, nigga. That street sign, nigga, on my dead brother, I could get that back. If I really wanted to. My daddy. I could really get that back.
So I really get that back.
Fuck right, dude. I'm trying to pin one of these little niggas. Nigga don't always
Find out about that low shit.
He said they had 48 hours.
Somebody gonna die. Somebody gonna die.
Hey, my son, what? Hey, I love y'all niggas. Lay y'all out.
I'm telling you, it's the comment section that's gonna get somebody
Today in the
killed.
life of EBK, part 2 tomorrow.
You should do
I
a
shot the
video with
body.
Dub's girl for D&D video. Get it then. Nigga, you still ain't did nothing. Bitch, I ain't finna do nothing to you, nigga, or that nigga, bitch. Fuck your family members, nigga. Bitch. Bitch, that's why your bitch ass mom finna die, nigga.
Your uncle got sick as shit.
Dead homies, nigga.
Your great grandma
Bitch.
in the office right now telling on your uncle.
Bitch, I hope somebody
Oh, I'm gonna have to edit that out.
Fuck, nigga. Lie. I hope somebody violates your bitch ass nigga so you can't never bounce back from that shit, nigga. You bitch ass nigga. Yeah, homies, nigga. I hope somebody, nigga, you probably getting, nigga. I hope somebody do some weird shit to you, nigga, and do it to you. I hope somebody do it to you, you bitch ass nigga. I hate my ops. I want weird shit to happen to you niggas so you niggas can't never gang bang again.
See, OGs, unks, big bros. Congratulations. I'm proud of you. I'm glad we made it out of that shit. You feel me? I'm glad we made it to be big bros and unks and OGs because yo, I don't think we was ready for this type of goonatry at all. You feel me? I don't think we was ready for this type of goonatry. Not at all. Not even a little bit. I'm not ready for this, for my enemies to hate me this bad.
I don't give a fuck, bro. I want them to do it to them niggas. Oh. Yeah.
That's crazy.
God is good. God is great. You feel me? On Bloods, like I don't
On
want
Bloods?
to nobody. These is all props. Nigga just was talking. Like,
These is all props. Niggas was just talking. I can't stand this nigga. I can't stand this nigga. That nigga said these is all props. Niggas was just talking.
I got that shit. I got that shit. Ain't not getting back. Dead homies.
Shout out to, ayo, shout out to IG Live ENT, bro. They be coming with that shit. You feel me? Nino, be real. What you do with they sign, man? Hey, this nigga, hey, shout out to IG Live ENT, man.
I don't give a fuck who it is.
They be having that shit.
I was on 65th, had a blick out, made they go fast, flip that truck. She want surgery, but I like the poet. Don't get shit tucked. If it's up, it's up. And once that shit hit the net, then that shit stop. I don't know who the more than not. The niggas that's trying to buy it back, or me for taking it. Your bitch ass up. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Damn. They say he trying to buy it back. Y'all believe it?
no pressure. BOE gang force still ain't got.
They say he trying to buy it back.
Bitch, I ain't worried about that street sign.
They say he trying to buy it back, man. Y'all believe it? That's crazy, man. The YNs is wildin', man. I hope somebody don't get hurt behind this street sign, man. YN, stay focused. Stay chasing the bag. You drop some nice visuals. You drop some cool visuals. You know what I'm saying? Stay to the music. Aof Niino. Stay at it. I guess you trying to stay in the algorithm. You feel me? I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know if it's worth it. Staying hot. I don't know if it's worth it. I hope everybody stay alive. I hope everybody stay out of jail. Comment section, you already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll be back when we got another one. Comment section, you already know what to do. Let me know down in the comment section, man. Do y'all think something gonna come out of this, or just gonna be a bunch of songs? Somebody gonna go to jail, or somebody gonna die from this? Y'all let me know down in the comment section. You already know what to do, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll be back with another one when we got another one in. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. New player circle. So, again, low. Yeah.